Hello, my name's Alexis, and today we're doing this look right here, which is a recreation of a makeup look that my lovely and talented friend Alex did for me for date night a couple months ago. I'll put some pictures up here that she took of me after the makeup was done. If you follow me on social media, you've seen these pictures already. But yeah, I love this look so much. I love Alex so much. I'm going to have her linked down below. Definitely check her out because she's amazing and I could go on and on and on about her forever. So let's not do that. But if you want to see how I recreated this look, then keep on watching. The base we're just going to kind of like fly through real quick because it's not that different from what I would normally do. So we use she used the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, the Cover FX Power Play. She asked me if there was a foundation that I wanted to use and I told her to please use that one because it was date night and I wanted to make sure that I look cute. And she could do whatever else she wanted. So we used that. I wear the shade N40. She used the Radiant Creamy Concealer from NARS, which I do not own. I only have the soft matte, so I just used that. And I set everything with the Mercier powder. And now we can move on. Okay, on to brows. If you can hear the cat purring, I'm sorry, she is laying in my lap. Anyways, on to brows. I love how Alex does my brows, because I just love Alex. But I love how she does my brows, because they're very, they're still like clean, but they're not like sharp or like carved or anything like that. They just look so good. So what I'm gonna do, she uses the Brow Wiz from Anastasia. I don't have that, but I have this teeny tiny, there we go, tip from Dior. So I'm gonna use this and try and do the same thing. I don't know how she does it. She's just magical. But I love how Alex does my brows. So anyways, I'm just gonna do my brows. Pretty sure I just did my brows the same way I always do them. This guy though, this guy does not want to work with me, so let's ignore him. Anyways, moving on. I'm gonna prime my eyes. Alex is the only person who's put the Stay Don't Stray on me from Benefit, and it actually worked on my eyeballs. Because she's, I don't know, she's just got the magic touch or something. So she used some single shadows from Makeup Forever, which I do not have. However, she and I both agreed that the Cover Shop Bold palette that I have, that I will use, works for this look. I need to find the picture for reference. Where did they go? Okay, a red, an orange, and a yellow, which I have here with the Cover Shop Bold palette. She put the orange in the crease. I can't tell if she used the yellow as a transition color first though, because I know she put a little bit of yellow on the bottom. I'm just looking at the pictures on my phone so I can see what the heck is going on here. She put a little bit of yellow on the bottom, but I don't know if she put, I'm going to put a little bit of yellow as my transition shade first and then do the orange. That's what I'm going to do. If you're new here to me doing these recreations of the makeovers I get, I don't watch the girls as they're doing them. So sometimes I don't know what they're doing, so I just do my best when I go to recreate them. So I'm going to use the yellow. This is Bolt. And just put a little bit of that in and above my crease. I feel like she said that she did this and then it got lost when she put the orange in. I don't know. I don't remember. And then I'm going to take the orange, which is, wait, what? And I'm just going to put this through the crease because it looks like that's kind of just where she put it. And then the red on the outside. So I'm going to put the orange through here. Oh yes, I see. You do lose the yellow once you put the orange in. Alright, so put that in there. There we go. And now I'm going to take the red, which is Fling, and just put this on like the outer corner third-ish area. So right here. Not a lot. She didn't like bring it over a ton from what I can see. Just this outside. Just like that. And then on the lid, she put like a shimmery, just a shimmery shade. So I'm just going to use the one that's in here because it goes with the palette anyways. This is Techno. I think she put this around the inner corner too. I think. We're not there yet. Hold on, let me put this on first. Put this here on the lid. And then I'll blend the edges in a second. Just blend all the edges. For the lower lash line she did, is this the red? I think so. She did the red and then the yellow. So she did the red like really close to the lash line, and then the yellow like right underneath it basically. So what I'm gonna do, because I don't want them to turn, I don't want it to turn orange, so I'm gonna do the red first. It's just like an angle brush. And bring it all the way across the lash line, the lower lash line. Make sure you connect it to the top. And then I'm just going to clean that brush off really well with my handy dandy color switch. And then dip into the yellow, put my mirror behind me, dip into the yellow and put that like right underneath the red. Just like that. Okay, and then I'll take the shade that I put on the lid and put it around the inner corner. There we go. Easy peasy. I'm trying to look at the liner because I can't remember if we did a wing or not, because I had really big lashes on. I think there's a tiny bit of a wing. I'm not gonna do a wing. Okay, all this next stuff I'm gonna do off camera. I'm gonna put, if I can find all this stuff. Okay, I'm gonna put black liner in my tight line and my waterline. Put a thin line of black liner on my lash line just to hide the lash band. Curl my lashes, apply mascara, and then put the lashes on. These are, can't really see them. These are Lilly lashes. These ones are Miami, which I thought were going to be huge, and they were kind of huge, but I really like them, so that's all that matters. So I'm going to do all of this, and then I'll come back to you. Hey yo, I am all lash now. This one's a little wonky, but they're on. So these are the eyes done. I just love these lashes. They're huge, but they're still like wispy, so I feel like they work for me still. I don't know, I love these lashes. So let's just move on, finish the face. I'm using something else from this palette, so I'm gonna just use this while I have it out. But I'm gonna use the contour. This is still the Kevyn Aqua sculpting powder, just in a palette and not like my singular contour like I would normally use. When I finally, if I ever finish the contour powder, the Kevyn Aqua that I have, I'm gonna get one of the ones from Makeup Forever because I do really like those contour powders, and that's what Alex used, so there's that. But I'm just gonna contour my cheekbones real quick. Okay, bronzer. She used Chocolate Soleil, so I will use Chocolate Soleil. Add some warmth back to the skin. I can't stop looking at these lashes. Oh my god. And they're so lightweight. Like, they don't feel, it doesn't feel like I'm wearing anything. They're super light, which is nice also. I love these lashes. So Sephora doesn't carry the House of lashes anymore, which sucks because I like the House of lashes. Now they carry Lilly lashes, but the Lilly lashes are beautiful. It's just that a lot of the styles I feel I can't wear because I ain't got no eyes. And those are all really big styles, but they're pretty. Oops. She used a blush for Makeup Forever that I can't, from what I've seen, like, dupes list of that blush, I don't have anything that dupes that. So what I'm going to do instead, the description on Sephora's website calls it like a peachy blush or something like that. So I'm going to use I Will Always Love You from Too Faced. I was like, what brand is this? So I'm just going to pop this on my cheeks. Because it was kind of peachy, but it wasn't too peachy. It was like peachy pink almost. For highlight, she mixed two highlighters together. One of them is from Bobbi Brown, which I don't have, but according to the internet, this highlight from Kevyn Aucoin is a dupe for it. So this is, what is it called? This is Starlight from Kevyn Aucoin. So that's apparently a dupe for the Bobbi Brown highlighter that she used. And she mixed it with 106 from Makeup Forever, which is this one that I have in this little duo. So I'm going to mix those together. I think I'm going to layer them. So I'm going to put the Makeup Forever one on first, because this is the, I don't know, I guess chunkier of the two. So, cheekbones, up and around the brow, a little down the nose, and my Cupid's bow. Okay, and then I'm going to take the Kevyn Aucoin one and put that on top. There we go. Extra glowy. Finishing touch. Ugh, the lip. I have so much stuff on my desk for this look. This is the lip. It is a Sephora Collection liquid lipstick. This is one of the new metal finishes, or like newer by the time you're watching this. This is like old now. But anyways, this is number 115, Fancy Peach. And I freaking love this color. I love this lip because it's peach, but it's not like too peach. You know what I mean? You know peach lipsticks that are just like peach. This one's not like that. I think because it's, I don't want to say it's sheer because it's really, it has a good opacity to it. Like it comes off peach, but I think because my lips are so naturally pigmented kind of pink, it softens it up so it's not as like orangey peach. It's more of a pink peach. Anyways, I love this lip color. I love it on me. This is the finished look. I love it. It's like a summer goddess. It's glowy, these lashes, this lip. I love everything. I love this look. I love Alyxx. I love everything. Look at this look though. Even from how zoomed out I am, I can see these lashes. They're so good. They're like, they're big, but they're not huge. There's definitely bigger lashes than these. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I love this look so much. I love Alyxx so much. Make sure you check her out. Again, I will have her linked down below because she's fantastic and I love her very much. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you soon. Bye.